Hi, I'm Margaret. Are you looking for a lipstick with a shade that'll last and is super cushioning with gel comfort? Then the Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick is perfect for you. Let's find the right shade. In my book, neutral's anything but boring. I love to polish any look with a nude lip to keep it classic and simple. Work this shade to add a little punch to your palette. Brighten your day with this brilliant and bold, fun shade. The Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick delivers lasting wear without drying lips. Highly pigmented shades deliver a stay-true color. Plus, the gel formula really cushions lips for that soft, velvety comfort. And optical enhancers actually deliver a really soft focus effect. Pretty, powerful berry lips are luscious and are always sure to grab attention. Classic, empowering, and beautiful. Red lips can make a statement without even saying a word. A good lipstick can lift your spirits and transform your entire look. Contact your Mary Kay Independent Beauty Consultant today to find your perfect shade. Bye!